guys, so it is Thursday, it's 20 to 6, we're leaving in about 20 minutes, just trying to sort out my outfit. So we're going to a press event at Thorpe Park today. They're opening a new ride, I'll tell you all about that a bit later, but I'm just trying to think about my outfit. It's been raining all day today, so I'm gonna wrap up warm. I've got my black skinny jeans on. I've gone for Timberlands because it might be wet. I wanted to wear this strappy top, so I've got a vest underneath, and then this is from Boohoo, I believe, and I've just tied a knot in it. I've got a hoodie and my sister's marshmallow coat, so hopefully I should be warm enough. My hair's already been ruined in the rain, so I'm just gonna pop it back, maybe even take a hat, but I think I'm ready. Little outfit of the day, yay. We are here! I've got a Summer with me. Summer, this is the first time you've been on my vlog, is it? It is. Summer's here, Alex is behind. We're excited to go in, and look who else is here. Holly! I bought this. This was not in the tumble dryer, so it was a bit wet, so hopefully it's dry. Freezing! It is absolutely freezing. I probably should have bought a scarf, but we're about to go in. Yeah, we will do. Luckily, it's not raining right now, but I feel like it's gonna rain in a minute, don't you? Yeah. Okay, let's go in. We've got our wristbands and it's raining.
Yeah. Why wouldn't you love Thorpe Park in rain?
But where else is there to go when it's raining?
Oh yeah, where else is there to go? But luckily, we're gonna get some food first. Hopefully the rain stops by the time we finish eating. Because rain in your face at 80 miles per hour isn't fun, is it? Okay. Have you got waterproof mascara on, ladies?
No.
Alex?
No, there's a big
ride is indoors or outdoors.
Pardon? Oh yeah, there's some rides
But the
indoors.
good thing is, if it's raining, then some people might be too scared to come.
Yeah, less people here, you know, some people might be too scared. Right, see you soon. We've all eaten. Did you enjoy your food?
Yeah. So good.
I had a chip butty. It was divine. They had like the best coleslaw there.
No, it was a chip dog. It was
a chip dog, yeah.
So we put chips in it.
Bit of coleslaw, mayo, ketchup, oh, and cheese on top.
Oh, and I had some gherkins.
Oh yeah, some likes a bit of gherkin. And of course a slushie as usual. I always like vlogging in Thorpe Park because it's really nice lighting with the green.
It's scary.
It is scary, there's like no one here. I think with it raining there's even less people here, isn't there? We're back at Thorpe Park. We're here for the opening of the new ride, The Walking Dead.
Walking Dead.
You've watched The Walking Dead, haven't you?
Yeah.
It seems
I only
scary.
got to like season 4, but hopefully
The ride's good. You excited? Yeah! Because it's a private press night, there's not many people here and not all of the rides are open. So we definitely took a wrong turn because we were walking through the pitch black. Although the vlog doesn't make it that dark, does it?
No.
We were walking through the pitch black, no rides are open, no one else is there.
No one in sight.
No one in sight.
However long, can't see anyone to tell us what's going on.
But still. Don't do that. We found a ride. We're gonna go on stealth. Probably not the best for the first ride of the evening as it goes 0 to 80 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds. But I'm excited.
I thought you were really clever then.
I touched up on my knowledge before coming here. We survived the first ride. How was that? Right before we were going, I was literally like, why am I doing this?
That first ride.
Yeah, I feel that was a good first ride. You feel really hyped after that.
Ready for the next.
I did sit down though, and you know when you have a bit of a lump in your throat?
Yeah.
I had that right before going. I was like, oh dear.
You know when you're worried about going on the ride the first time and then you see Professor Green and you think, I've just got to do it.
Yeah, Professor Green was on the ride afterwards.
Can't
so,
go wimping out in front of Pro
we should
Green.
have gone back and rapped him some of his lyrics.
I don't know any of them.
Yeah. I'll get my lyrics out. I love a good
Like,
rap.
You could have said, oh, I was on Lorraine one week with your ex-wife.
Oh yeah. Here we go, the new Walking Dead ride. Get it, girl. Usually at these evenings there's not a queue at all, but obviously this is the main event, so there is a massive queue. We are finally going on. We had some entertainment along the way, which some were scary. We're about to go on, I'm excited. This used to be X No Way Out, so I know it's inside and it's not going to go outside. Yeah, this used to be X No Way Out.
Screw the questions, I'm letting you in. Look, as soon as that door opens, get to the supply store immediately. Personnel can get you to safety from there.
Guys, got a situation where you ain't done
Hurry up!
guys, keep moving,
Look, I'm saving you next.
So we're just leaving Thorpe Park. Had a really good evening, did you, Alex?
Yeah, it was great. Cold but good.
A little bit chilly, but it was good. Summer, did you enjoy it? Yes, I loved it. There weren't as many rides open as last time, but we still had a good time. At the end, we went on stealth about, was it 2 or 3 times?
Yeah,
Three
it's so
times.
fast, it's so good.
So far, so good, but I think 3 is like the max, and then your head is like going to explode. But I definitely enjoyed that. Thank you guys for inviting us, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. We'll see you soon. Bye guys. We're back home now. We picked up a few more people, and we're just having a kombucha party. Summer, are you enjoying your kombucha? I'm loving my kombucha. This is my dad's homemade kombucha. If you'd like the recipe, maybe he could do a video on my YouTube channel one day. Go on, Dad. It's top secret. Jade, are you enjoying the kombucha? Yes, very much. Matthew, come this way because the house is a mess. Are you enjoying your kombucha?
Yeah, very much. I look a bit different to how I looked earlier.
Oh yeah.
Insert clip here.
Everyone just dance, we'll put some funky music. No, we'll put it on afterwards.
Oh, it's so loud in the car.